Okay, so in this video, we are going to look at how to write complete programs. Okay, so to start, we will begin by writing a simple program to find the area. Okay, so now let me say pi is equal to 3.142. Okay, and then radius is equal to 5, and then you know the formula for finding area is pi r squared. So area is equal to pi times, okay, open parenthesis, radius square. Okay, so pi is equal to 3.142, radius is equal to 5, area is equal to pi times radius square. Okay, so in Python I taught you that the asterisk, double asterisk, is used as an exponent, is used for exponentiation. Okay, so radius raised to the power of 2, okay, which is r square or radius square. Okay, so now I want to print area. Okay, so print area. Okay, now I save. Okay, so if I run, you see it has calculated the area, which is 78.55. 78.55. Okay, so for the pi value and the radius value, you can use the input function to ask for pi value and also to ask for radius value. Okay, so you can use the input that I taught you earlier to enter the pi, and also you can use the input to enter the radius, and then you use the formula area equal pi r squared. Okay, so this is a simple program to find the area. Okay, now we are going to look at how to write a calculator program. Okay, calculator program. Okay, so okay, so we are going to look at how to write a calculator program. Okay, and now this is how the program looks like. Okay, first the program will ask for number one. It will ask us to enter the first number. Okay, then it asks us again to enter the second number, and all must be float, because calculator, when someone is performing calculation, the person can enter either an integer or decimal values. Okay, so you have to use the float. Okay, so in case you use when you use the float, if the person enters integer, it will accept. If the person enters float, it will also accept. Okay, so you have to use float. And also when you are writing a software for financial calculation, like the one the banks use, because the banks, they always deal with decimal values. Okay, so now the number one, we have to enter number one, and then number two, we have to enter number two, which is the second number, and then you have to enter the operator, either addition, multiplication, division, or subtraction. Okay, so now start by writing let's start by writing our program. Okay, so now I'll start by saying num1. Okay, num1 equal float. Num1 equal float. And then input. Because we have to enter the number, so input. Okay, and then enter first number. Okay, you put the cursor at the back of the parenthesis and then you press enter. Okay, so num2 also we have to enter, so num2 is equal to float, and then input. Okay, input, so enter second number. Okay, enter second number. So it will ask us for the first number, then it asks us for the second number. Okay, and then the operator. Also we have to input, so operator equal input. Okay, so you say enter operator. Okay, enter operator. Okay, you can bring colon after number. Okay, so enter first number, you can bring colon, and enter second number too, you can bring colon. Okay, and then enter operator. Okay, now you start after entering the first number, second number, and the operator. If operator is equal to plus, okay, the plus is a character, so you have to put it in quotes. If operator is addition or plus, colon, then print num1 plus num2 plus num2. Okay, so if the operator is plus addition, it means print num1 plus 2. It means it should add num1 and the number 2. Okay, you press enter, you press the backspace, and then elif, which is else if operator is multiplication, colon, then print num1 multiplying num2. Okay, print num1 multiplying num2. Okay, you press enter, you press backspace, you make sure it is in line with the if and the else if. Then you type else if again, elif, okay, elif, which is else if operator is division, bring quote, then print num1 divided by num2. Okay, press enter, backspace. As if, which is elif, if operator is subtraction, which is minus, colon, print num1 minus num2. Okay, you press enter, you press the backspace. Else, the S stands for if the operator is not either of the four operators: addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. Then else, print invalid operator. Invalid operator. Okay, print invalid operator. Okay, so now you can save it. Okay, so now you can save it. Okay, so it will ask us num1 float input, enter first number. It will ask us for the first number, and then num2 float input, enter second number. It will ask us to input or type second number, and then operator input, enter operator. Then you select the operator, you type. If the operator is addition or plus, then print num1 plus 2. Okay, if it is addition, is plus, then it will add num1 plus num2. Else, if which is elif operator is multiplication, then it will multiply num1 by num2. Else, if operator elif operator is equal to division, it will divide num1 by num2. Else, if elif operator, the elif means else if the operator is subtraction, then it will subtract num1, it will subtract num2 from num1. Okay, either if the operator is either of the four operators, which is addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction, then it should display a message that invalid operator. Okay, so now let's run it and see. Click, you say enter first number, I enter 5. It says enter second number, I enter 10. I press enter. It say enter operator, and I enter plus. Then I press enter. You see 15. Okay, 15.00. Okay, so now let me run it again. Enter first number 10. You press enter. Enter second number 5. You press enter. Enter the operator. I can say division. Okay, so I press enter. So it will divide 10 by 5, which is 2. Okay, so let me run it again. It says enter first number 5, enter second number 5, then you press enter. Enter operator, this time multiplication. Okay, then you press enter. So 5 times 5, 25. Okay, so I call the terminal and then run it for the last time. Okay, so I run. It says enter first number, I enter 10. I press enter. Enter first number 5, then you press enter. It says enter operator minus, which is subtraction, and you press enter. So the answer is 5. Okay, so this is a complete calculator program. So this is how to write complete programs. So you can use the knowledge that you have got throughout this course to create any program that you want. So this is how to create programs using Python programming knowledge. Have a wonderful studies and keep on learning more. Share this video with others, and also like, comment, and follow us for more videos. You can also visit our website for our complete online IT training courses. Have a wonderful day.